Kevin? Why does Kevin look derpy now? Hey, welcome. We got Sons of the Forest and just a little sneak peek for you guys of what's to come.
I don't know how you guys do it.
Are you looking at me, Holmes? You're looking to my eyes, Holmes? You're looking to the eyes of a gangster, Holmes. Eyes of a gangster. Look at my gangster shirt. It says Jesus Player 1. Number 2 is empty, Holmes.
It's empty, Holmes.
Oh, if you love Jesus, you can get fucking jacked like me, bro. No, I'm sorry. That was
Yeah, what?
What? Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Hopefully you're near me.
Yeah, we are. Always are. Being more
Oh,
down.
I see.
Midday.
Prelude.
But up here, like, there's already a tent and all that up here, so you can come loot up here. if you
Hello.
want.
Is that? Welcome to another game. This is Sons of the Forest. I played the original Forest back in the day, back when PewDiePie made Let's Plays and stuff. I bought it when I was like 15 or something. So I'm excited to play this new game. Looks great, looks promising, much more story, and it's fun to play with friends. Now, Bailey and I started up in the snow, and we slowly planned to go down to the beach, and then that's when we'll start to build our own little settlement.
Alright, we gotta find a spot to get back.
Yeah, killed a rabbit. Sweet. A little bit of meat.
Found a cannibal.
Did you find one?
Yeah.
Oh shit. I'm coming.
It's alright, he's sort of pushing back up towards you a little bit.
The cannibals are going to be
Oh, no,
a
he's
serious
back.
problem, especially deep in the forest. They come out of nowhere and they tend to swarm. We were constantly getting harassed while we were moving, so we ended up just having to continue to move. Couldn't stay still.
We're in the area, I just found a heap of hung up skulls.
He's making noise at me.
Yeah, honestly, there's another
there's
one.
another
up
one.
there.
Oh
Yeah.
shit.
Oh,
I've got a Molotov.
another's right at the cunt is behind. You can get him standing still.
He's on fire. I hope I didn't get you then. Sorry about
Yeah,
that.
he did, that's alright. You're right.
Well, we got one. Can we confirm this body? Can't we?
Yeah, you can make bones out of it.
Yep.
He's just in the tree across, so we'll just go this side. I'll take him.
Let's go. Wait, 6.
Yeah, I know.
I can't start right.
Yeah, I've done it.
It's a very good looking game, isn't it?
Come get this tarp, bro. It's there for you as well.
Sweet.
Was it there for you as well?
Yeah, well, too.
Sludge.
Hold on. Oh, awesome. Okay, I'm at 5. That's cool. Cool thing down there.
Yeah.
He's on fire,
Fuck off. One was just pressing me across the lake, so I don't know.
Yeah, there's one over here too. Oh,
Yeah.
This should be melt. That's cool. So within the first day, as we come to nightfall, we're able to make it to the beach, which is great. We're able to find some supplies. We've got a nice little ledge where we can chop down trees and throw it over, and we can start building up base.
There's like, I got a boombox and everything playing some music.
Really?
Pots, everything, bro.
Okay.
Come on, I'm just chucking all this wood off this cliff.
Yeah, I was fine. At least you can just run towards the raft.
It's gonna die real quick, though.
Yeah, so I'm just swimming out this boat, bro.
This game gets so dark during night time. I create a fire and we run into some bandits along the way.
I'm just kicking on the boat, bro.
As soon as I hear any of these motherfuckers, I'm running straight in the water.
It wasn't loud drafted.
Look, yeah.
Yeah. You, I think they might be on field though. I think that was 1:30.
What about 8 foot?
Where?
I know I'm trying to just.
It'll like, when you're watching it open, it'll fucking, you'll see the difference.
Okay, yeah.
And then when you pick it up, it'll say fucking raw shit or whatever. Just a
Yeah, like, quick, okay.
yeah. If you put leaves and onion to a quick pasta. It's obviously it's more fine.
Stick. Trevor. Oh, yeah, that's nice and narrow.
Oge?
Oh, it makes heaps.
I don't know where you build it. I'm building.
I just put like this little foundation down here.
Yeah, I saw that. That.
I don't know. Now that you're not in that water, I don't know what the fuck I am because I was using you as like a. That is what it is. Bro, I literally see one. I think. What?
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Bro,
Oh, bro.
it's a
Fuck
fucking.
that, it's coming.
It's a chick, bro, with like 3
Yeah,
legs.
bro. She starts lurking where you start to set up camp. She always will.
Bro, I was like,
Bro, honestly, she won't attack you. She won't attack you, cunt.
she just started running, bro. I was like, fuck that. Bro, as soon as I saw her run, I was like, nah.
Bro, I just saw the screen shake, bro. You just all leg it. Oh, fuck that, bro. Yeah, don't give me attitude, fuckhead.
What the fuck, bro? There's a dude. He screamed at me. What you doing, bro?
These ones are cracked out, I think.
I can tell, bro. The way he just. Is he just walking away?
Stand on business, bro. Don't let him.
He's on fire.
Big back shot, bro.
Oh, you suck, bro. You're right. I think he's dead.
Yeah, but these ones they come back, so chop their heads off, bro.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and as you're gonna burn them, bro, chop their heads off.
We survived the night. We had a couple of crazy interactions that we weren't ready for, but we managed to deal with it. Now, with the next day beginning, we're going to focus on building a base and eventually building a wall.
Go put logs in there for us. I'm at least setting that shit up on quick fucking draw.
Oh, they're moving. They're moving. Shit. Watch out, bro. Damn, I really shoot this arrow. Watch out.
God damn it.
It wouldn't be that bad, bro. I could live with it.
Yeah, honestly. I'd probably be pretty pumped. I'll see if I can get them to fall off the cliff.
Oh, yeah.
So water is going to be a problem as the hydration drops. We do have a pot though, and on the map I can see a little lake. So we walk to some fresh water, as we can't boil salt water, collect the water and return.
Here's what I can do.
there's literal dead bodies and like hung up corpses near this lake for whatever reason.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a box here too. Oh, 2 boxes. Alright, give me tape. Yeah, dog. And tape.
Where?
Need some. Here's the water thing. I reckon this is gonna work. Yeah, it's gonna work. Nice. There we go.
Diveaway's building a shelter that we can do a quick save in. Thanks, brah.
Oh, did you put it? Is this it? Okay.
Yeah, it's getting built
Oh,
there now.
Cool.
So you should just add whatever to it.
I should probably go focus. Maybe she just.
Away.
Maybe she likes you, bro.
Thanks, bro.
She's probably sweet to you, bro.
Got the hots, bro, for this.
The horse from Melbourne. What if you saw like there was a secret interaction? Melbourne's just over the. Just
He's over there just banging the fuck out of her, bro.
Like, dude, like, nice, but fucking gross, bro. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah, I'd be like, come on, guys.
Bro, she's like,
What are you doing?
like, that's crazy. Like, just for a bit of context in this conversation, I figured it was too good to not put it in. We're just talking about the 3-legged zombie that we saw last night, and Melvin just getting his freak on with her.
Yeah. Come here, fuckhead.
Done. Oh, sweet.
No, this is a scary game.
You know, Forrest Gump is
So
about...
look at those freaky things over there. They're gonna try and attack and
Jeez,
stuff.
this one's weird.
Is it like a zombie or
So
something?
what, we got 3 legs?
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Well, like, you know what it's like?
Lame,
Yeah, that's what I
That's
thought.
not friendly.
And it's a woman.
Yeah, she's friendly, bro. We don't fuck around.
Yeah.
What the fudge is
She
that?
did not want anything, bro.
It's
She
crazy.
thought.
She did not want a piece of you, Asher.
No. Yes.
You know she's got 3 pieces.
Hey, bro. Man, just scared away the
Is that
fucking
Bailey,
cannibal
number
bitches
8?
too, bro.
Scare the cannibal dishes.
Oh, you little log grabber, bro.
Oh my
That's Bailey.
You little log grabber.
Melbourne.
Yeah, this is Melvin.
Kind of
He's a
silly.
dumbass.
Jake's fucking boyfriend, bro.
He gets you, look, so you say, get rocks, drop here. And he goes, okay.
It's okay.
It's like Jake, bro.
Okay.
Is he like an AI or is he a person?
Hang on. Is it?
Look at him run!
But he'll come back with like heaps of rocks and shit, his friend. And,
Michael Vigil.
Mother. And said, no.
If, I'm getting nervous.
Little house. Little house.
Yeah,
Protect
because I'm giving him a break.
He does not care about you,
He
bro.
just hit me with
Wait, can he see us?
cut the video for you guys on it, to be honest with you. Like, this would probably be where I first start from. Because you guys are funny.
You're done.
Pushing, bro.
What's up to Papi?
I don't know how you guys
What's
do
up,
it.
Papi? Tocomos. Are you looking at me, Holmes? You're looking to my eyes, Holmes? You're looking to the eyes of a gangster. Eyes of a gangster. Look at my gangster shirt. It says Jesus Player 1. Number 2 is empty, Holmes.
It's empty, Holmes.
Oh, if you love Jesus, you can get fucking jacked like me, bro. No, I'm sorry. That was
Yeah, what?
Sorry.
I'm a turtle.
I don't love
You know
yours.
that?
Unlucky, but
I hadn't told you.
at least I'm unlucky. Alright, guys. That's about 2 hours worth of gameplay condensed into 15 minutes. The video is getting pretty long. This is the longest video I've uploaded, so thanks for making it to the end. This is fun. Still got a lot more to do. Still got to build the wall, so that will be continued in the next video. And a lot more cannibals to kill. Thanks, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.